There are reasons of increase in return to scale. Actually, this will benefit the firm because they're experiencing it fall in average cost in the long run. So the indivisibility of loudness of factor production, specialization of factors of production through division of labor, economical use of sophisticated technologically advanced machineries due to expenses has to be incurred only once. So anyways, increase in return to scale occurs due to factors. Simply we can classify them into two types: internal economies. In the internal economies means firm expanded. As a result, average cost fell in the long run. So purchasing economies, firm would have purchased a bulk, then they received a discount. It is called purchasing economies. Sometimes marketing economies. That means a firm would have used efficient marketing techniques. Average cost falls due to such efficiencies. Sometimes financial economies. In this case, firm may take loans at a low rate of interest. It could be a benefit. Sometimes managerial economies. Firm would have employed efficient workers like management team. Wastage decreased, now improving in efficiency, since average cost falls. Sometimes entire industry would have expanded. It is called external economies. What does external economy represent? Industry expanded. Maybe infrastructure development, as well as government subsidies. Government subsidies, as well as improvement in labor market. Labor market are some examples. As a result, average cost falls in the long run. Then the decrease in return to scale. This is actually called diseconomies of scale. Earlier economies of scale, here diseconomies of scale. In there, average cost rises. Average cost rises due to the overexpansion. Overexpansion means firm would have used large number of factories, many machines, too much of workers. Right now, it is uncontrollable. Then the average cost may rise. It is called decreasing return to scale. So it says, if a given percentage increase in all inputs result lesser percentage increase in total output, then a firm is experiencing decrease in return to scale. So in this case, average cost rises. Early average cost decreased. Now, this would be a problem. Firm is not performing well. That is the mean. Anyways, Factors that cause a decrease return to scale: exhaustibility of resources, maybe they may wastage of resources, sometimes too much of resources than the efficient level. As well as stress means workers are now doing not well. They are not doing a good job now. Then workers' productivity falls. Complexities, management of coordination problem. So when they are unable to control, the average cost increases. After that, we do concentrate constant return to scale. In the constant return to scale, the average cost is constant. Simply, the percentage increase in total input is exactly equal to the percentage change in output. Input output the same. Here it's the example is given 20% increase in input and 20% increase in output. Constant return. So in here, average cost is fixed. So when the total output increases by the same proportion to the increase in factor inputs, then the firm is experiencing constant return to scale. So we may not find any examples for this. Anyways, we can draw a diagram to illustrate all these like that. Cost on origin is 0. Average cost falls, therein after fixed, then average cost rises. This is the pattern. Long run average cost. So the period somewhere here to here. Increase in return. Scale. Then constant return. Then decrease in return. These are the 3 periods. Then in the long run, production process includes both fixed and variable resources. Then there we do not find any divisions like fixed and variable. Therefore, we do concentrate inputs and output relationship in the long run. But in the short run, fixed cost is same, but variable factors are increased in order to increase the production. Right. With this, we wind up the class today. And this is the part we had to complete under cost of production.